Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the integral. We have the integral of 1 minus tan x over 1 plus tan x dx. So I will show you the technique how to answer the question. About number 1, we can do about tan of b over 4. In here, we can do about tan of b over 4. So we can apply the formula. We have tan a minus b equals to tan a minus tan b over 1 plus tan a multiplied with tan b. So we will apply this one in here, and now we can get about tan b over 4 minus s. Next, we have tan a equal to sine a over cosine a. So we change this one into sine b over 4 minus s over cosine b over 4 minus s. The integral of sine of b over 4 minus s over cosine of b over 4 minus s, you will get about ln is about natural log inside the absolute value. That's the end. Thank you for watching.